Alright, in this video we're going to be changing out this little bumper out. We're going to be putting the door bumper, a new one in. I will link where I got this one down below. We had one when we first got it, and I don't know if it was a lawnmower incident or whatnot, but this one came off. It broke off, I should say. Came home one day from work and it was on the floor. So, and you can see that's rusted out. So we're going to try to save this thing and try to get it out as nice as we can. Hopefully we don't snap the bolt, but we just did, or like we just did. Which definitely sucks. So that is not what you want to do. You can tell this has seen better times. So we're going to go ahead and try to get that out. Or you can go to the next one over and use that hole, and it should still work the same. I'm just scared that if I try to take that one out, it'll break as well. But let's go ahead and find out. And like I said, that one broke as well, which older RVs like that, it pretty much sucks. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to screw another hole in there and see if I can at least save those two. Let's see if this one will take. Hopefully these screws will finally take. All right, here we go.
So far so good. Make sure you keep pressure on it. So it goes all the way in. I know it would be easier if I just used the bit, but I don't go around it, you know what I'm saying? So last thing you want to do is have this slip. Almost there. And then you can have a little caulk around it. Seal it.
There we go. That one's in there. Now we're going to go ahead and try the other one. Which is going to be a little bit harder, but let's go ahead and try.
So we have a screwdriver long enough.
Alright, and there you have it. Bumper's in place. And it will stop that door. I mean, it's not supposed to take a full force, but it will help out with that. Let me know if you guys want to see any more RV repairs or whatnot. See you guys on the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All right, you know we had a little bit of a hiccup, but we were able to fix it, and this whole thing is on there pretty good. All right, later guys.